It's a beautiful day here in Santa Clara. Hi, I'm Vinicius Brasil with the Brasil Group and Keller Williams, and I'm excited to present to you my latest listing in the beautiful Homeridge neighborhood of Santa Clara. Welcome to 2973 Howell Avenue. Homeridge is a small tract in South Santa Clara bordering the Killarney Farms neighborhood to the west and the Saratoga Creek to the east. The neighborhood consists of 66 single-family homes that were developed in the mid-1950s. Nestled in the quiet corner of the neighborhood is 2973 Howell Avenue. The home has been expanded to a spacious 4-bedroom, 3-bath home with 2 primary ensuite baths, and the entire home has been completely renovated in the last 5 years. The home boasts a large living room, a spacious dining area, and an open kitchen and convenient pantry area. The bright airy kitchen has been fully remodeled with Shaker-style cabinetry and solid quartz countertops, and features a fresh air skylight above. The stainless steel appliances are modern and feature an electric range, refrigerator, microwave, and dishwasher, as well as a large single basin sink. Adjacent to the kitchen is a convenient pantry area where you can store all your kitchen gadgets. All the bedrooms are very spacious and feature roomy sliding door closets. As I mentioned, the home has 2 very large primary bedrooms with their ensuite bathrooms. The main primary suite on the north end of the structure features a sliding glass door that leads to the backyard. The backyard is low maintenance and has been landscaped with a large flagstone and pavered patio. The home also features a detached, finished, oversized 1-car garage with roll-up door and automatic opener. There's so much to love about this home, like the spacious bedrooms and dual primary suites, but my absolute favorite part about this home is the bright and spacious living room, which is open to your dining area and kitchen. It's such a great space to enjoy. Additional features include dual-pane windows, LVP flooring throughout, central heating and AC, LED recessed lighting, a water softener system, a tankless water heater, and a newer dimensional composition roof. This home is just minutes away from major roadways and shopping. It's also conveniently located to Apple as well as NVIDIA headquarters, and don't forget Santa Clara's low-cost utilities and reliable energy from its city-owned power company, Silicon Valley Power. Thanks for joining me on this video tour of 2973 Howell Avenue. If you've got any questions regarding this amazing property, looking for a floor plan, additional photos, or 3D Matterport tour, please visit our property website. I'll be sure to post the link down below. To schedule a private showing, contact us directly. Until next time, this is Vinicius Brasil with the Brasil Group and Keller Williams.